Aaron L. Peterson. The Wells Group of Durango Incorporated, C 979034566. Aaron at wellsgroupdurango.com, www.wellsgroupdurango.com/broker/Aaron Peterson/ a 3-bed/3-bath mountain retreat ready to be your home base for your next mountain adventure. An open concept floor plan with floor-to-ceiling windows are just daring you to soak up the expansive views of Engineer Mountain and Grayrock Peak surrounding the home. Truly incredible. Off the main floor are 2 private and spacious decks with a seasonal waterfall that you'll find yourself drawn to as the mountain air and gorgeous sunsets call you to refresh after an invigorating day of adventure. The cozy primary bedroom is lofted with a large ensuite bathroom. Downstairs you'll find 2 more bedrooms with equally beautiful views, a shared full bathroom, and access to the outdoors off the west bedroom. The garage is a spacious 2-car setup designed with plenty of room for all your toys. The county keeps the road to 52 Spud Circle plowed all winter, allowing easy year-round access. With national forests surrounding the small neighborhood, nearby hiking trails, mountain lakes, waterfalls, trail riding, fishing, cross-country skiing, and snowmobiling is right outside the door. The sellers have done extensive remodeling, from the addition of the spacious garage to the entire interior, including flooring and bathrooms. This home truly needs nothing, and it is ready to go for the new owner. Nestled at the foothills of Spud Mountain, this home has an ideal location at the gateway to the San Juan Mountains. It is a short drive from US Highway 550, 10 minutes to Purgatory Ski Area, 30 minutes to Durango's Central Business District, all the amenities, shopping, nightlife, restaurants, and a 30-minute scenic drive to the historic mountain town of Silverton. Come see this fantastic mountain home before it's gone. This home will come fully furnished except for some personal items. Whether you plan to make it your full-time residence, vacation getaway, or vacation rental, this home is sure to be a memory maker.